Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you ChatGPT not responding, how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. ChatGPT needs a stable internet connection to work. Trying switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off, then try again. You can also force close the ChatGPT app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find the ChatGPT app and swipe it away to close it completely. Now reopen the app and test it again. You can also press and hold the side button and volume button until you see the power slider. Turn your iPhone off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears small glitches that stop app from responding. Sometimes the issue isn't your phone, it's temporary server problem. If ChatGPT is not responding for many users, you may just need to wait a few minutes and try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.